We know everybody with AMC and GameStop. AMC is a bit in green, pulling back near a major support, which is the $1. And GameStop is still holding, guys, the support over the 21.38. We got a huge wick for GameStop from below around the earnings, and early on this week, huge wick from above. So we have to discuss both of them right now. Price target for May. Before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only, and remember we always discuss major stocks every day before the market open. Of course, for the earning play today, we have major stocks like NBIS did really great. We got of course we got SMCI, which we won around resistance 33.55. It was really good for short today. That's why we pulled back. The link in description below, guys, to our Discord and Patreon for update and watch list daily for the market. For now, GameStop, guys, watch out. We got near the support, which is over the 21.38. 21.38 is the current support right now that we should hold for GameStop. Otherwise, we might have a huge pullback, because this is the price where we reversed from several times. Back in June, when we have bad earnings, we flush, but we have a big buyer and we reverse until the 28 from the 22. Again, here around those three levels and around three earnings or almost two earnings, we held this support and we have another jump toward the 28. Which the seller added their position around Friday, the 1st of May or the 1st of this month, guys. We have a pullback. So let me just show you what's going on here. We have another seller added their position around this area, guys. So now technically the short sellers are not around the 28, but around the 26. This is the level that we have to break, and the level that we should hold where the market maker might have a defense over there, because they still have huge position, is around the 21.38. So this is where we should watch for accumulation and of course a reversal. But for my opinion, today or this week, the resistance is around the 23, not the 26. So I'm gonna lower the level around the 23. Technically around 23.16. This is the major level of resistance that we should break to confirm that we start to reverse up toward the 25 and the 28.90, which is the current seller or squeeze zone, or around the 28.90. Yes, 28.90 is the level that we should squeeze from. For now, we have to watch out for the 21.38. And the bottom is around the 18.8, which is the second dip that might the buyers or the whales buy again, huge position there. For AMC, on the other hand, we still accumulating down. We have two sellers. The same, the reaction that happened for GameStop happened for AMC. We have a big seller around the 190 and another seller around the 175, and now getting near a bottom around the 118. This is where we have a shift in the price action in AMC. If you remember, guys, once we reversed big time from $1, we did a huge jump until almost the $2. And this is the trigger, the short seller covering around the 118. So we getting back to the same level that we squeezed at before on the month of April or last month. So you see, both AMC and GameStop have pull back near a major support level. For AMC is the 118, for GameStop is around the 21. So what we should expect after the good earnings, because we did a really good jump last 5th of May. The main event right now is holding this level, guys. The same for GameStop. As long as we hold this level, is mean we are having a correction, and the whale might add again around the 118, and we're gonna confirm that if we have a wick and the price reverse very quickly towards the area of 160, 190, of course, and 190 should be the squeeze zone toward the 250 and the 350 the next time. But for now, we have a period of consolidation since 17th of April, or almost 1 month from now, we have a pullback, pump during the earnings, then a pullback, and then another pump again around the 150 if we held the $1.18. This is might happen in the before the end of this month, guys. If we held the 118 for this month, will be a good indication that AMC, or the whale for AMC, is still loading up on it, and we might have the second test for the 190 and go toward over the $2 for the next month. So let me know, guys, what you think. Are we gonna have the squeeze before the end of this month, or are we gonna have a hold up at least over the 118 or not? Because the price right now is pulling back a little, but even though the market is pulling back, we have a lot of anticipation for CPI, for inflation data for yesterday and today. That's why the market is yesterday it pulled back a lot, and in the pre-market go up. Now when the market opened, it went down. So we have fear in the market. That's why AMC is pulling back a little bit, or we don't have a lot of buyers, because this play, or for AMC stock, is highly risky, high reward in this play. That's why the investors taking a bit of breather right now for AMC and GameStop. So this is not reflecting that AMC weak for today, but the whole market is a bit tense. So we're gonna keep watching those stocks very closely. I'm not forget about it, because once you go and forget about AMC or stock or GameStop, you're gonna miss the second squeeze. So we're gonna update it for tomorrow, of course, before the market opens. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe button in order to be notified once we go live 30 minutes before the market opens. Thank you for watching, guys. And of course, see you all back by tomorrow.